Now we are discussing the formation of image or image formed by concave lens. See here, this one is a concave lens. Where we having an optical center f1 to f2, then here f2 and 2f2. So 2f1, f1, optical center f2 and 2f2. Both diagrams are same. Why we are discussing these two diagrams? The first diagram, object is away from lens, away from lens, and here the second diagram is object is close to the lens. These are the two conditions we are having. Within the two conditions, same results we are getting. So we are discussing only two examples. See, we have kept this object beyond the 2f1, and when the object AB has kept beyond 2f1, definitely one ray which is parallel to principal axis. See, this lens is a convex, so convergence is not there. We are getting diversion. So the refracted ray will go upward. So this is the incident ray, this is the refracted ray. And again, next one, the ray which is coming out from this top position, it is entering in optical center. As it is passing through the optical center, without any deviation it will pass. So both rays are not meeting actually. But see, if we extend this ray backward, definitely it will pass through the focus. Yes. So here there is a meeting place or meeting location of these two rays, and so very small image we are getting here. See, this is the image. So head is here A dash, foot is here B dash. So what is the nature of image? Nature of image is very small. We are getting the smaller image. Again, how is the image? Image is towards the left side of rays, so it is virtual image. And as it is towards the left side virtual and head is upward, here is head is upward, and so erect image we are getting. This is the condition when object is placed far away from the lens. See here, within the second one, when object is very close to the lens, don't consider as the location, it is only close to the lens. The first ray which is parallel to principal axis definitely passes through principal focus, but it will not pass to this one. At the same side it is passing through the principal focus, and the second ray is passing through optical center without deviation, it will pass. So as it is passing without deviation, the actually meeting place location of these two rays is here, imaginary. As it is imaginary, we are getting image here. So how is the image? When the object is considered as a AB, this one is a A dash and this one is a B dash. So what is image? See, here is also same result we are getting. Image is smaller than the object. Again, we are getting towards the left side, imaginary rays are meeting, so it is virtual, and again head is upward, so erect image we are getting. So whatever may be the condition, always we are getting smaller, virtual and erect images due to convex lenses. Hi students, within this lecture we are discussing the Cartesian sign conventions for the lenses, which is very important for understanding many concepts and again to solve the numericals. Let's concentrate here. You know the Cartesian plane means what? When two axes, one is a horizontal axis and one is vertical axis, when they are going to intersect each other perpendicularly, there is a four quadrants. The first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. It is not important for us. See here, when these two axis, that is x axis and y axis, they are going to intersect each other perpendicularly. This point is called as origin. So how we have measured the distances? All the distances towards the right of origin is positive. All the distances are left of this origin for x axis, that is negative. There is positive side of x axis, negative side of x axis. Now for the y axis, all the distances above the origin that are positive, that is positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, and here below this origin we are considering negative. This is the sign convention for Cartesian plane. Now little more things we are discussing when we are considering which lens? The convex lens. See, this one is a principal axis and this is optical center. How to place this one? You have to remove this diagram and place like this one. Principal axis will be exactly x axis. You are going to place principal axis on the x axis such that this optical center should be at origin. So diagram will be converted like this. See, like this. And if what is true with the convex lens, that is true with the concave lens. If you are going to place this object or place this diagram, that is principal axis and this optical center exactly principal axis on the x-axis such that that optical center should match with the optical center, that is an origin. And then we are discussing the sign conventions for the lenses. See here, there are two lenses. The first lens is which one? That is convex lens. This is the principal axis and the x-axis of Cartesian plane. This is the origin and the optical center of the lens. What is true with this one? That is true with this also. That is concave lens. This is the principal axis as well as x-axis of a Cartesian plane, and this is the optical center as well as origin of a Cartesian plane. And when we consider such diagrams, then what is that? See, always we are keeping the object towards the left hand side. That is the assumption. So when object is always placed on the left hand side of a lens, whatever may be the condition, convex lens or concave lens, suppose I am placing this object here, that is here. So what is the distance? The distance in between the optical center and the object is called as, that is object distance, and it is denoted by letter U. What is U? U is the object distance. Then suppose we are getting the image this side. Here is the image. Then the distance in between optical center and the image is denoted by V. That is the image distance. And here object height is denoted by H or maybe HI. HI is HO. HO is the height of a object. And here height of a image. That is the HI. Such kind of things we are going to discuss. See here, when object always placed towards left side, that means left side is negative. All the parallel distances to the principal axis are measured from optical distance wherever you go. You will go upward or downward, left or right. You have to measure the distance from optical center. That is the first sign convention. See here, the object is always placed on left of the object. For the convex lens or a concave lens, always place the object towards the left side. And all the distances parallel to principal axis are measured from optical center. We are starting to measure the distances from this optical center. Second, see, the distance measured to the right side. See, this is the right side. So x-axis right side it is positive or not, and x-axis left side is negative. So that is also in the sign conventions. So all the distances measured towards the right side of O means optical center are to be taken positive, and all the distances which are measured to the left of optical center are taken as a negative. See, object is always placed, so object distance is always negative. When image distance is positive, definitely real image we are getting. sphere. When image distance is positive, then real image we are getting. But if negative, that means this side we are getting the image, this is virtual image we are getting. So this is all about what one images. Okay, again, the distance is perpendicular to the principal axis. Perpendicular to principal axis, but and above, that is object distance. So what about the object? When object distance is always positive. Why? Because we are taking the object perpendicular to principal axis and above. So distance is perpendicular to principal axis and above, it are measured to be positive, and so object distance in both the cases always positive. But what about images? See here, when distance is perpendicular to principal axis and below it, that are considered as a negative. Then if image is erect means upward, that distance or height is always considered as a positive, and when image is downward or it is below the principal axis, that is inverted, then the distance, that is height of image is always negative. And last one, the focal length of convex lens is positive and concave lens is negative. See how it is. This one is which lens? Convex lens. So this is the first surface. So first surface, all the parallel rays which are parallel to principal axis, after refraction they will meet at one point. So here we are getting f1 focus, and the distance in between optical center and focus is called as focal length, and focal length towards right side. So as it is towards right side, focal length is always considered as a positive. So convex lens having positive focal length. Okay, come to this point. This is the curvature number 1. As it is curvature number 1, all the rays which are parallel to principal axis, after refraction it will divert, and after diverting they will meet, imaginary meeting at one place. As we are getting f1 here, the distance towards the left side of optical center is always negative, and so concave lens having the focal length negative. So which are the sign conventions here? The first is the object is always placed towards the left of a lens. So from this we are getting object distance is always negative. All the distances parallel to principal axis are always measured from optical center. Wherever you go, this side, right side, up side, down side, all the distance should be measured from optical center. Third one, the distance measured to right side of an object, optical center, are measured to be positive. So image, if it is real, image distance is positive, image is virtual, that is image distance is negative. All the distances to the left side is considered as a negative. Then distance perpendicular and upward, distance perpendicular and above are considered as are measured as a positive. Within that one we are getting conclusion, always object we are placing perpendicular and above the principal axis, so object distance is always positive. But what about images? If image is erect means perpendicular and above, so image when it is erect, the height of image is considered as a positive. But when image is perpendicular and downward, that is inverted, so below the principal axis distance is negative, and so image height is negative in case of when image is virtual, image is inverted. Next one here, the focal length of convex lens is positive because focal length we are getting towards right side for the convex, so it is positive. And concave lens we are getting focus, first curvature focus is in front of lens, and so this distance towards the left of optical center is negative. Okay, thank you.